have a Honeywell CM707 digital programmable room thermostat. It controls your central heating, so you'll find it where you're using a combi boiler, in other words, if you don't have stored hot water. The basic idea behind this unit is that you can set 4 different temperature periods during the day. So you might want it to be quite warm when you wake up in the morning, then be cooler during the day when there are less people in the house or you're out, warmer then at tea time and into the evening, and then cooler during the night. It is quite difficult to get your head around what it does, so hopefully this short video will help you to understand the unit. Now this particular unit doesn't seem to have kept the time and date stored when I put the batteries in, so the first thing I'll do is show you how to correct them. So I'll lift up the flap. Now press the plus and minus buttons here on the left hand side of the screen to get the right time. So I'm checking my watch. It's now 2:20 and click the green OK button. That set the time. Now to set the date, click the day button and you see D10, so that's the day of the month. It's not the 10th day of the month. And click the OK button. Then we've got that funny symbol there is actually an M, so month. Okay. And the year, so this is 2012. Okay, so now we've got the time and the date set, and you see the bar along the top is under the number 3. We've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 representing the days of the week, number 3 being Wednesday, so it's correctly picked up that today is Wednesday. So to program the different temperatures, the first thing that you need to do is use these program buttons here. So you've got the 4 different settings and it's got 1.4 here. So press that and it's telling us the first change is going to be at 7 o'clock in the morning and it's going to raise the temperature to 22 degrees. Okay, if you want to change the time, then you use these buttons here on the left hand side. So I'll change that to 6 o'clock. Click OK. And then to change the temperature, you see these 2 arrows here. It's these arrow buttons here that you use. So 22 degrees, a bit warm for me. Bring that down to 20. Click OK. And then it takes you on to the second temperature period. So this might be when you've gone out, you're at work, kids are at school. So 9:30, I'll move that a bit earlier. No, not by pressing the wrong button, I won't. 9:30. And that's at 8 o'clock. Click OK. Change the temperature. OK. So now this is coming on at tea time, or it's changing the temperature, sorry, for tea time. 4 o'clock, that's fine, so I'll click OK. 22 degrees, bit warm. 21 degrees, that's fine. And then the 4th period, so this is effectively your nighttime temperature. So bring the time forward a bit. So it's going to change at 9:30. Click OK. And then I'm going to bring the temperature down for the night. Click OK. So click Auto. And that will take you out of the programming settings. The lowest that the temperature will go to is 5 degrees Celsius, and that's for frost protection within your property. Now this unit is a 7-day programmer, and that means that you can have different settings for each day. So what I'm going to do is copy across the settings that we just set for the Monday for the rest of the week. And then I'm going to put some different ones in for the Saturday and copy those across to the Sunday. So we need to press one of the arrow buttons to get back to the programming mode. And you'll see the bar flashing here underneath number 1 because we've programmed for Monday. What I'm going to do is press copy day, then lights up the number 2, flashes underneath the number 2. Okay, is it the Tuesday I want to copy this to? Yeah, copy to the Tuesday. Okay, it does give you the chance to tailor these slightly if you need to. So again, I'm going to copy the day, bar under the 3. Okay, copy the day again to Thursday. Okay, copy the day again, Friday. Okay, so now I'm going to come out of that. So we've got it set up for Monday to Friday. Now I want to set it up for Saturday and Sunday. So going back in now, showing you how to get to a different day for programming. So press the program button. Now I'm going to press the day button, and that's going to move me across to the Saturday. So now I'm going to change the times for the Saturday. So if I remember how to do it, changing the time, I'll press the OK button, change the temperature, press the OK button, and we go through that process again for the different time periods that we want the different temperatures for. So 6 PM 21 degrees, 11 PM 16 degrees. Okay, and then I'm going to copy that across, press copy day, 7's lit up, press OK. So now that's copied everything across to the Sunday as well, and then press auto to get out of that programming section. So it's now all set up, all programmed as wanted. Now if you don't want to have it on the automatic setting, there's a couple of things you can do. You can press manual, and now it's just working like a thermostat, so it'll tell you the current room temperature. Press I, and it'll tell you the temperature that it's trying to achieve. So room temperature currently 22.5. If I press I, it's set 22. If I increase that temperature, 23.5, and you'll see the click. You may have heard the click. I've got the little flame symbol there telling us that it's telling the boiler it needs to produce heat. You can also turn it off, and it will go down to the 5 degrees temperature setting that it will kick in the heating if it goes down to 5 degrees. There's this button here, which is a little suitcase symbol next to it. What this does is lets you adjust the settings if you're going to be away for a few days. So press the button. So it needs to be in. It needs to be on actually. So number of days you're going to be away, and you set these using these buttons. So 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and you'll see it's moving along the top, the number of days. So 5 days from now is Monday. If you're happy with that, press OK. And you can click a temperature, select a temperature that you want the house to be kept at. So that's OK. If you want to cancel that, just press the suitcase button again. Well, that's how you use one of these CM707 units. I hope that's been useful for you. Thanks for watching.